I'm here at Smashbox Studios with the best brow artist ever, Christy Stryker. Christy, welcome to the studios.
Thank you.
I mean, you have seen Christy's work on some of the top celebrities, on the red carpets, and in amazing editorials. Brows are getting ready to have a colossal moment.
It's kind of cliche, but they say that the eyes are the windows to the soul.
Agreed.
So the eyebrows are the frames to the windows of the soul. So I feel like it is really important to have, you know, a full, beautifully shaped, I believe, natural eyebrow. It can really define not only the eyes, but the bone structure of the face. And it can really accentuate cheekbones. And sometimes, you know, the opposite, if they're poorly shaped or they're too round, it can really accentuate dark circles and things like this.
This is our Brow Tech Gloss Stick, and the thing I love about this product is it's great for girls that have a full brow, but also great for girls that have to layer it over another product. And I think we've prepped our model with our fantastic Brow Tech matte pencil, and now we're going to add some sheen and some dimension with the gloss stick, which I think is so fantastic.
We filled in her brows completely, and we're adding this to just sort of add a little bit of shine and dimension to the hair, and almost like a styling product.
Yeah.
Holding the arch out and keeping the skin really tight, and then just using it, soft feather strokes, to really kind of coat both sides of the hair, brushing it back and forth.
And I think that's such a great tip that you give. When I watch you apply this product, you really take the brows one way and then brush them with the pencil up and brush it inward and then outward, so it really gets the gloss all the way around the brow, giving it a lot more depth and a lot more dimension.
And it does add a little bit of a hold. Like you see I can brush these up here a little bit, and I love that part of the brow, the front where it gets sort of sprouty almost.
Right.
I think it's really beautiful and natural. So to use that to really push those up, and you're adding color, you're adding shine, you're adding a little bit of hold, and then if you want to blend it out with the brush on the end, you can do that as well.
That's spoolie.
Another important tip when using this product is to really use light, gentle strokes and just get the hair.
Like you're coating the hair.
Finishing product.
Right, you're coating the hair, not the skin underneath.
This works almost like a pomade in that way to sort of hold them. You can tell the difference. This one looks sort of matte, and this one you can really see the texture of the hair and the glossiness and the shine.
And again, our favorite tool, having that kind of brush or spoolie to really help to get the product into the hair and to create that, you know, subtle just lift.
Yeah, to sort of move the hair around without adding any more product. That's it. She's got her glossy, gorgeous brows. You have perfect
Oh my God, your brows are perfect. We're jealous of Sana's brows. I want to take them off and put them right here. They're so good.